Okay. Right, the next problem is this: f of x is equals to x square minus x plus 5. X is greater than 1 by 2 is mentioned. G of x is f inverse of x. We need to find g dash of c. That means derivative of g of x at x is equals to 7. This is the problem from mains 2014. Okay, very simple and logical. Since g is given f inverse, since g is f inverse, so what we need to write? G circle f is identity. Since these two are inverses of one another, the composition of those two functions generates identity. See, G circle f is identity as well f circle g is identity. So now I am just taking G circle f. G circle f is identity, so G of f of, see, just a minute. Since G circle f is identity, so you just take x on both sides. It can be written as G circle f of x is equals to identity of x. And then G circle f of x is nothing but G of f of x, and here this identity of x is simply x. G of f of x is x. Okay. Now you just differentiate with respect to x. This G of f of x can be written as z dash of f of x composite function into derivative of f is f dash of x is equals to derivative of x is 1. Okay, so z dash of f of x into derivative of f is f dash is equals to the derivative of x is 1. Okay, now you need to identify the value of x, what we need to replace to get that g dash of 7. Okay, so this is g dash of f of x. We need to find g dash of 7. So what value of x generates what value of x if you input for this f generates 7? That's what you need to identify. See, it is clear. If x is equals to 2, just mark this. Okay, just mark this as a equation star, and I am going to use further. Okay, if x is equals to 2, look here. If x is equals to 2, f of 2 is equals to 2 square minus 2 plus 5, nothing but 7. F of 2 is 7. It is very clear. Since f of 2 is 7, we need to take x is equals to 2 in this star equation. Okay, then this equation becomes z dash of f of 2 into f dash of 2 is equals to 1. Just replace x with 2. And then since f of 2 is 7, it can be written as z dash of 7 into f dash of 2 is equals to 1. We need to find z dash of 7. So that z dash of 7 is equals to 1 by f dash of 2. See, f dash of 2 is derivative of f of x at x is equals to 2, right? So z dash of 7 is equals to 1 by derivative of f of x, that means f dash of x, okay, at x is equals to 2, that is equals to 1 by, what is the derivative of f of x? F of x is x square minus x plus 5, its derivative is 2x minus 1. For x square it is 2x, for x 1. So 1 by 2x minus 1 at x is equals to 2. Become 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1, and so 1 by 3. So finally this is the problem. Okay, the problem is related to the differentiation of inverse function. Okay, asked in mains 2014. Have a look.